Good morning, dear students. Today we are going to see about rubber. We are just now in a completion of the syllabus. So there are two more lectures required for this. Let us see what is rubber. Under rubber, we are going to see what is rubber, its history, types of rubber, examples, properties, and application. Now, what is rubber? It is a sticky elastic solid produced from a milky liquid called latex. You know all that. If in a from a trees, if we are just cutting the leaf, we get a milky like. In every plants there is this type of latex, but there is a special tree where from we get the rubber, and that milky liquid is called as latex. It can be simplified as natural or synthetic rubber, a material that can be stretched and will retract rapidly and forcibly to substantially release of the force. It is stretched, and after so many forces, it is resistant. Okay, there is no action of heat, water on this type of rubber when it is synthesized. Now, rubber is of two types. One is natural rubber and another one is synthetic rubber. Under synthetic rubber, the examples are butadiene rubber, polychloroprene rubber, styrene butadiene rubber, nitroyl rubber, isoprene rubber, and butyl rubber. So these are the rubber which is obtained synthetically, but naturally one type of rubber is obtained, that is natural rubber. Now, types of rubber. Natural rubber, a yellowish amorphous elastic material obtained from the latex. You see this, you must have seen this plant where we get the elastic material, milky like liquid called as latex. Okay, and especially in mostly Kerala region we get this type of the latex. Synthetic rubber means which is man-made, a material with a mechanical property that can undergo elastic deformation under the stress and still return to its previous size. Okay, means if we are mechanically forcing, stretching it, again we are getting it back. The size can be deformed, it can be regained the size, and it can obtain the original, and it can get deformed also. That is what the elasticity quality is called as. Natural rubber sources, that is a Hevea tree. Natural rubber, also known as India rubber, made for milky colloid latex sap produced by some plants. You see the structure, see the peak where we get, in this way we get this latex. Latex is natural polymer of isoprene unit. उसमें जो केमिकल स्ट्रक्चर जो इंक्लूडेड है उसको आइसोप्रीन यूनिट बोलेंगे. What is a natural rubber? An elastomer, an elastic hydrocarbon polymer that was originally derived from latex. This plant would be tapped, and that is an incision made into the bark. थोड़ा सा उसको कट किया जाता है, and then the milk liquid is coming out, which is called as latex, and it is normally stretchy, flexible, and extremely water. Okay, it is naturally stretchy, flexible, and extremely waterproof. इसको ऐसे ही नहीं रखते, इसको थोड़ा सा फॉर्मुलेट भी करते हैं, एकदम इसी प्रकार का नहीं. बस इतना है कि नेचुरल रबर हमको कहाँ से मिलता है, तो हमको ट्रीज से मिलता है. So Hevea brassinilis, which was found in tropical regions, natural rubber is hydrocarbon polymer built about monomer isoprene. This is the isoprene unit. Isoprene is made by processing of latex. आइसोप्रीन का जो फॉर्मूला है वो है CH2 डबल बॉन्ड C, CH3 CH डबल बॉन्ड CH2. इट इज पॉलीमराइज टू गिव पॉली आइसोप्रीन नेचुरल. अब आपको मालूम है एक मोनोमर हमको पॉलीमर देता है. सो दिस इज द आइसोप्रीन यूनिट. ओके, this is the isoprene unit where we get two unsaturated bonds are there and one methyl group which is present at the two position of the carbon. Okay, so in this way this monomer give to you polyisoprene unit. In the polymer chain of natural rubber, the residual double bond are located between C2 and C3 of isoprene unit. Suppose this is C2 and C3 of isoprene unit. All these double bonds have cis configuration. This is cis. This is cis, and this is called as cis polyisoprene unit. Gutta percha is also obtained from the plants and is called as trans isoprene unit. All these two polymers have the same composition and their properties are radically different. अब ये जो है ये है cis, तो ये है जो है ये trans है. Okay, this is trans. So this is cis and this is trans. Although these two polymers have same composition, their properties are radically different. And this cis natural rubber is soft, elastic material, whereas trans gutta percha is a tough, non-elastic, horn-like substance. जो सिस है वो सिस नेचुरल रबर की क्वालिटी क्या है, वो सॉफ्ट एंड इलास्टिक मटेरियल है, ठीक है. लेकिन ट्रांस गूटा पर्चा क्या है, टफ नॉन इलास्टिक हॉर्न लाइक. ओके, दिस इज सॉफ्ट इलास्टिक मटेरियल, दिस इज टफ एंड हॉर्न लाइक नॉन इलास्टिक मटेरियल. द प्रॉपर्टीज क्या है, इलास्टिसिटी है उसका, इलास्टिक टेंसाइल स्ट्रेंथ. ओके, इट्स हैविंग लॉन्गर ड्यूरेबिलिटी, फ्लेक्सिबिलिटी, then solubility and aberration resistance. Resistivity भी इसमें जाती है. Advantage of natural rubber: how milk contains an antibacterial substance. Hevia, a milk contains that is an antibacterial substance, that is natural dust mite repellent. Natural dust mite repellent यानी dust को भी वो आने नहीं देता है. So that is a protective layer, that natural rubber manufactured from unique substance also breathes perfectly and is not temperature sensitive. As a result, it never feels moist or warm too much. Okay, it is perfectly is not means natural rubber manufactured from the unique substance also breathes perfectly and is not temperature sensitive. यानी temperature का is non effective on temperature and थोड़ा सा उसको moist है. When we touch it, it feels warm. Superior air circulation creates an environment which naturally prevents mold and mild growth. Advantages क्या है, उसका air circulation अच्छा है, okay, and it creates an environment which naturally prevents mold and mild growth. What is synthetic rubber? It is any type of artificial elastomer, invariably a polymer. An elastomer is a material with a mechanical property that can undergo much more elastic deformation under stress than most material and still return to its previous size. यानी वो regain shape करते हैं. If we are just pressing that synthetic rubber, it again regain the original shape. Synthetic rubber serves as substitute to natural rubber in many cases, especially when improved material properties are needed. Synthetic rubber can be made by the process of polymerization, and the process of changing monomers into polymers is nothing but polymerization. Common synthetic rubbers used are polybutadiene, epichlorohydrin, polyurethane, styributadiene. हमने पहले एग्जांपल्स देखे हैं उसके, स्टाइरिन ब्यूटाडाइन है, क्लोरोफिनायर यूनिट्स जो है वो एग्जांपल्स हैं सिंथेटिक रबर्स के. Applications of rubbers. Rubbers कहाँ का? Some of the common applications of rubbers are daily use items. कहाँ रबर्स तो डेली हम यूज आइटम्स में यूज होते हैं, टायर्स में है, जैसे हम लोग घर से निकलते हैं वी गेट एग्जांपल्स ऑफ रबर्स. ओके, ऑटोमेटिव इंडस्ट्रीज में यूज होता है, अडेसिव मटेरियल में यूज होता है, सीलिंग एजेंट्स में भी उसका रबर का यूज होता है, इंसुलेशन मटेरियल में भी यूज होता है, देन स्पोर्ट्स गुड्स में भी यूज होता है रबर, ठीक है. देन पेंट एंड dyes, and there are such many, and a polymer this rubber is used in many ways. Thank you. In this way we have completed our what is rubber, then it's where this natural types of rubber and where this natural rubber is found, and what are the chemical unit प्रेजेंट इन द नेचुरल रबर दैट इज आइसोप्रीन. उसमें भी हम लोग गुटा परचा एंड सिस आइसोप्रीन यूनिट्स देखे नेचुरल रबर, जो कि सिस जो है वो इलास्टिक है, सॉफ्ट है नेचुरल रबर. हालांकि ट्रांस जो बोलते हैं गुटा परचा या गुटा नेचुरल रबर, इट इज हार्ड लाइक हॉर्न लाइक. ओके, बिकॉज इस ट्रांस पोजिशन में चेंज है करके. फिर हमने सिंथेटिक रबर क्या है देखा, सिंथेटिक रबर्स के कितने टाइप्स है वो भी देखे. एग्जांपल्स हमने देखे क्लोरोप्रीन, क्लोरोप्रीन, ब्यूटा स्टाइरीन एंड सो मेनी सच एग्जांपल्स वी हैव सीन अंडर सिंथेटिक रबर्स. उसके प्रॉपर्टीज देखे. ओके, एंड उसके एप्लीकेशंस देखे किसके, रबर के. In this way we have completed the topic rubber, but in the next video we are going to see is neoprene, Bunai's rubber and vulcanization. Now it is the time to complete the syllabus, so the videos will be long. So thank you so much.